Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? Hedera Hashgraph holder, congratulations, you are a lucky person if you are a holder of Hedera. Because my brother, in this time, all crypto market, all currencies were very badly fails down, the price is decreasing. But this time, Hedera Hashgraph is one of the unique and trending coin to they will moving upward. This is not fake news, absolutely, and remember to this is not a financial video. I just advise you, and definitely my friends, we will predicate this coin every time, every day, every time my friends, when they will moving upward, when they will fails down, so we will predicate to what's happening in the upcoming time, and I will notify you. So therefore I have just one request, to please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, plus 9.29%, they are in the profit just in only in last 3 days. So therefore I am so happy they will give me just in only in last 3 days, my friends. You can see here they will give me a very good profit. So therefore Hedera Hashgraph holder expert says to in upcoming time, definitely after a fails, absolutely take a very huge jump. So therefore I will notify you to expert says, my friends, to win a coin were very badly fails down. So this does not mean, my friends, so this coin will go on in the garbage. Definitely we will need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope or so after some time, my friends, they will moving upward, they will give you a very good profit. Because my brother, I am 100% sure, my friends, to if I just in only, my friends, invest more and more in those days. So therefore I know, my friends, to if a holder are starting investing, so the coin will move upward. So therefore just and only we will need, my friends, to do this what I tell you, otherwise we are lost now. And those we will need, my friends, to hold it and just and only wait for a good time when, my friends, this coin will move upward very fastly. Definitely you will need to sell it now and be safe from the loss. Other, my friends, this is impossible now. So really, let's see, my friends, to what's next. But kindly please research personally and be focused, my friends, to what's going on. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.